Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Ikokore Ijebu. This is a meal that is nostalgic to me as an Ijebu girl, and I used to beg my grandma to make it for me. So the ingredients we'll need are water yam, crayfish powder, habanero pepper and seasoning cubes. You can use dry pepper if you have some. Ponmo, dry fish, palm oil, fresh fish. You can also use mackerel. I didn't have any, that's why I used that fish. Smoked Panla fish, shrimps, and dry Bonga fish. The ingredients you use are up to you. It's just, this is what I had, and I was going all out because I had missed the meal a lot. So the first thing to do is to peel your yam. Make sure to be careful with this yam because it can be itchy on your skin. It can make your skin itchy. Your hands can get really itchy, but just be careful. Wash your hands properly when you're done. So I just cut them into squares because I will be hand grating them and not blending them. You can use a blender if you don't have this type of grater that I will be using. You can use your blender to, if your blender is really strong, just add some water and blend it in your blender. But I will be using this grater, this side of the grater, the small, really small side. This is the side you use. So I will be hand grating, and when you grate and you reach this small part, you just stop grating because you don't want to hurt your fingers by grating too close to the grater. So here I'm adding in some salt, and I'll mix that in. Then I would also go in with some Ajinomoto because that's how I remember my grandma used to do it. Then I will mix it in again. You can use a seasoning cube or seasoning powder to instead of Ajinomoto if you don't care for Ajinomoto. So I'm going in with some water. When I blended my habanero, it looked yellow. I don't know why. Then I go in with all my fish, all the fish and the Ponmo, and I season it with a seasoning cube and let it come to a boil. When it has come to a boil, I take out the fresh fish and put it aside and let the smoked fish keep boiling because it's really hard. So I let it keep boiling, and I added my smoked catfish and a little bit of palm oil into the broth. I cover it again, and when it's all done, I bring everything out because you don't want to put the yam on top of the fish. It would be on the bottom of the pot and it would burn. So I didn't want to do that. So you take out all the fish, all the shrimps and everything, and you go in with your yam, your grated yam, in bowls like this. You put everything in bowls. You can see it in here. I'm going with more water and palm oil, crayfish powder, my shrimps, all the things that I brought out before. Then I will put everything back, all the fresh fish, the dry fish, everything I boiled before, I will be putting it back now. And I would cover it, season it, then cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes on medium to low heat because it burns really quick. You want your food to cook properly and not burn. I cover it and let it come to a boil. And here it's, the aroma was really taking over the kitchen. And I know some people will be like, what's this? Why does it look like this? This is an Ijebu delicacy. It's something that is an acquired taste. If you're not used to it, you might not really want to try it. But if you find it, try it, give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, you know. This is a meal that it makes me miss home a lot, and I'm happy I was able to get the yam and make it. And I told my grandma about it. She was like, oh, you found water yam? I said, yes, I did. And we just spoke about it over the phone. So here I'm just serving it, you know, getting ready to eat it. The proper Ijebu way is to eat it with cold eba. And you see it at the end of the video where I'm doing that. Even my little daughter was ready to eat and was eager to eat it with me. If you are Ijebu and you find this video, we're so malare. Dada ni mo bá yín o, ṣé gbádùn video mi. So thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you like videos like this, just, subscribing is free. Please subscribe. I need your support. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. To my subscribers, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, and see you in my next videos to come.